In this video, I want to talk to you about how you can unpivot your data. So where we have one simple row of data that we would like to unpivot it. So let's take a look at the data. Now I have a simple set of data where I want to uh, compile these three, consolidate it together and make it into one single database. Okay, so very simple. Now I can uh, do this directly from here. So all I need to do is just highlight all this, and I'm going to do this thing called insert table. I'm going to convert it into a table, and I'm just going to put there as my table has no header. It doesn't have a header, so I just click OK. You notice they call it column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now from here, I just have to click convert to range. Oops. I just click here. No need convert to range. Just go to data, from table and range. There you go. All right, so that's what I had. Now, what I don't want to have is all this information that I have here. You see, like year 2013, then followed by country, year 2014. So I would like to split my year with the country. I don't want them to share the same column. So in order to do that, all I need to do is just go and add a column, conditional column. So in this conditional column, I'm going to put here if my column 2 is equals to null, then I want them to pick up the column. Don't type anything, but pick up a column. Select a column, and you tell them to create a column from 1. So when I hit OK, you notice one column is already added. All I need to do is just right click, fill down. I will fill everything down and move it to the front. Move to the beginning. There you go. So now I have one column here that says year. Right? This one can be called the year. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to remove all the null. So I go to column 2. I tell them, please don't show me the null. So the null is taken off. Right? Now I'm going to make my row number 1, this row number 1 as my header. So I just go to the home ribbon, use first row as header. Click it. There you go. It goes all the way up. Now I'm going to change this title to year. There you go. Now I do not need all this January, February again. So I'm going to this column here called January, and I'm going to change by telling them, please take away the January. By taking away January, I'm actually taking out all the others as well. Now, this is what I mean. So what I'm going to do now is the real tactic here. We're actually going to select year and country. Now, since we have one title here that consists of all the value, so I'm going to transpose them by using the feature called Unpivot Other Column. Now, the column that I have selected is the one that I want to keep. So I'm just going to unpivot the rest of the column. So these two columns is not going to be unpivoted. Huh? There you go. So Canada 2013 will have 12 months and the 12 value. So all I need to do is just change this one to decimal, change this title to months, and change this title to amount. There you go. So all I need to do is just load it out now as a table. See, I have a table. That's how easy it can be done. Huh? So right now you have year 2013, 14, and 15. So what happened now, if I go back to this data, I made a copy. Let's just say I copy this and I paste it down here. But I change this one to year 2016, right? 2016. And I go back to my table. I just have to, let's double check again. I have until 2015. So what happened if I right click and refresh? Let's check. Do I have a 2016? Yes, I do. So that's how powerful this Power Query is. So you can add this on year by year, and that will be a very good way to collect your data into one database where you can build your report. So let me just show you a very quick report that we can do. Pivot table. So I'm going to put it into this existing field here, down here. Okay. So I can put a country in the row. I can put a year on the front here. I can put the amount down here. There you go. So if I go down to this and I add another year, copy, and I paste it, So this one, I change it to year 2017. Come back here. First, I need to update my table. Second, I will update my pivot table. Refresh. So my 2017 is ready for reporting. I hope you like the video. Right? Thank you for watching.